For centuries, astronomers wondered if we would ever see an object from another star system pass through our own. Comets and asteroids are common in our skies, but they all belong to the Sun, bound to its gravity. The galaxy is full of other stars and other planets. Surely some of their fragments must wander too. But until recently, that was only an idea, a speculation. Then everything changed. In 2017, we spotted Oumuamua. In 2019, we found Borisov. And in 2025, we detected 3I Atlas. 3 visitors from beyond, crossing our path in less than a decade. Each one is different. Each one challenges our assumptions. And together, they raise the biggest question of all. What do these interstellar visitors really tell us about the universe? Oumuamua, the first messenger. Our story begins with Oumuamua, the first confirmed interstellar object. It was discovered in October 2017 by the Pan-STARRS telescope in Hawaii. At first, it seemed like an asteroid. But its orbit didn't make sense. It wasn't elliptical. It was hyperbolic, on a one-time flyby, never to return. As scientists studied it, the mystery deepened. Oumuamua was long and thin, shaped more like a cigar or a pancake than a typical rock. It had no visible tail, no coma, no clear outgassing. Yet, strangely, it accelerated slightly as it left the Sun, as though something invisible was pushing it. Some suggested it was just outgassing too faint to see. Others wondered if it could be something more exotic, maybe even artificial. While the majority leaned toward a natural explanation, Oumuamua sparked fierce debate and captured the imagination of the world. It was our first proof that interstellar debris could and did pass through our solar system. Borisov, the classic comet from afar. 2 years later, in August 2019, astronomers spotted a second interstellar visitor, 2I Borisov. Unlike Oumuamua, Borisov looked familiar. It had a bright coma and a long tail, exactly what we expect from a comet. It spewed water vapor, carbon monoxide, and other gases as it approached the Sun. In many ways, it behaved just like comets in our own solar system. But there were differences too. Borisov's composition suggested it was unusually rich in carbon monoxide. That hinted it may have formed in an extremely cold region of its parent star system, farther out than most comets here. Borisov reassured astronomers. Oumuamua had been so strange it left many puzzled. Borisov proved that at least some interstellar objects look very much like the icy wanderers we know. 3I Atlas, the hybrid visitor. Fast forward to 2025. A faint comet was picked up by the Atlas survey. At first, nothing seemed unusual. But then orbital calculations revealed the truth. It was another interstellar object, only the third ever found. It was given the name 3I Atlas. Like Borisov, 3I Atlas clearly showed cometary activity. It had a coma, a tail, and volatile gases boiling away under sunlight. But like Oumuamua, it also carried surprises. Its chemical fingerprint was unusual. Nickel atoms, abundant carbon dioxide, and cyanide gases not commonly seen in our local comets. Even its path was unexpected. Instead of coming from the direction of the Sun's motion through the galaxy, it approached from a different angle, reminding us that the galaxy can send visitors from anywhere. In some ways, 3I Atlas felt like a middle ground between Oumuamua and Borisov. Comet-like but chemically strange, reassuringly visible yet scientifically puzzling. What 3 visitors teach us now that we've had 3 chances? What do these interstellar objects tell us? First, they prove that the galaxy is constantly trading material. Star systems eject comets and asteroids all the time, and some of those wanderers inevitably cross paths with others. Our solar system isn't isolated, it's part of a larger galactic ecosystem. Second, they show us variety. Oumuamua was rocky and strange. Borisov was icy and familiar. 3I, Atlas was icy too, but chemically exotic. This diversity suggests that planetary systems across the galaxy produce many different kinds of debris. There's no single recipe. Third, they raise profound questions. If comets can carry water, organics, and even molecules linked to life, then interstellar objects may act as couriers of chemistry across the galaxy. Perhaps they even help seed new worlds with the ingredients for biology. Why we're just getting started. As exciting as these three discoveries are, astronomers suspect they're just the beginning. The fact that we've detected 3 in less than a decade, using instruments that weren't even designed for this purpose, suggests there are many more passing by undetected. Soon, the Vera C. Rubin Observatory in Chile will begin scanning the skies with unmatched sensitivity. It's expected to find dozens, maybe hundreds, of interstellar objects. Each one will carry a unique story. Some may resemble comets, some asteroids, and some may be unlike anything we've ever seen. This will open an entirely new field of astronomy, interstellar small body science. For the first time, we'll be able to study the building blocks of other planetary systems directly, without leaving home. The challenge of speed. Of course, there's a problem. Interstellar visitors are fast. By the time we spot them, they're already rushing through and heading out again. Oumuamua was gone before we had a chance to do much. Borisov and 3I, Atlas gave us more time, but still only months. Catching one with a spacecraft would be a monumental challenge. You'd need to launch quickly, accelerate to extraordinary speeds, and intercept a target already fleeing the solar system. So far, our technology can't keep up. But ideas are on the table. Concepts like the Comet Interceptor or rapid response missions could one day allow us to meet one of these visitors up close. Imagine sampling dust from an object that formed around another star. It would be a scientific revolution. A universe of connections beyond the science. These interstellar visitors change how we think about the galaxy. They remind us that stars and planets don't live in isolation. Material is constantly exchanged, thrown out of one system, drifting across the void, and sometimes captured briefly by another. That means the story of our solar system isn't just ours. We are part of a galactic story, woven together by fragments like Oumuamua, Borisov, and 3I, Atlas. Each one is a message in a bottle from another shore. Oumuamua, Borisov, and 3I, Atlas. 3 messengers, 3 stories, 3 glimpses into the diversity of planetary systems. One looked like nothing we had ever seen before. One looked familiar but came from far away. One combined both traits, comforting and strange all at once. Together, they reveal a galaxy alive with movement and exchange. They show us that our solar system is not alone. And they leave us with a promise. There are more out there, waiting to be discovered, each carrying clues about worlds beyond imagination. The mystery of interstellar visitors is only beginning. And every new one we find will bring us closer to understanding not just the universe around us, but our own place within it.